Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm just really excited because I make quite a few things in Canva and I got to my 500 design certificate in Canva. I didn't even know that was a thing. So I just wanted to share with you guys. I was having a lot of fun creating a few things and that's what I got. So let me show you what I made. So I've been playing around with a lot of things and a lot of designs, but I believe this was what got me to the 500. And I made probably 15 cards. And just playing around with different designs. So I thought these were really cute. And yeah, I'm already on Mother's Day. And I have a few that I'm not ready to share yet. Let me see. I think I'll stop there. But yeah, so these were my designs. Happy Mother's Day. I'm just planning for what's to come. If you guys want to see how I made some of these cards, let me know. But I just wanted to hop on and show you guys my new designs and my certificate. Oh yeah, that one was really cute. This one was one of my favorites right here. And I've showed you guys just how to play with sizing and all that. So that's the same design, but this is the design enhanced, and you can see how different it looks. And so that might be really cute in a card set for somebody, people who like to collect cards and things like that. But so that was just something really fun. I just wanted to show you guys 500 designs in Canva. I'm really proud of that because I have a lot of fun designing. I've only been using Canva for probably a year or less. I really think it's been less than a year, but I realize it's something I really like to do. I know, you know, when I come on, I say Hope King, King's Designs MD. It's always been called King's Designs or King's Designs MD when I started with my business, and it was because I just like making things. But when I got on Canva, I realized how much I love designing products and cards and things like that. So it's been a lot of fun for me. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are new here or you just want to leave a comment, you don't know what to say, feel free to drop a crown down in the comment section. Just let me know you're here, so I know who's watching. Have a great day.